How do you make gravy? It's easier than you think once you understand the process. Gravy is simply a rich, thickened sauce made from the natural jus of whatever it is that you cooked. Now, you could add broth or stock to increase the volume, but your ultimate goal is to thicken. You're not going to introduce any new flavors. Think of that amazing gravy made from grandma's pot roast that you poured over mashed potatoes. That's gravy. Now, can you use cornstarch or flour to make gravy? If the pan drippings are lower in fat, I usually make a slurry of flour and some of the pan drippings. I whisk that in along with pats of butter. The butter adds body, texture, butteriness to the gravy. As the gravy cooks, it causes it to thicken. I use cornstarch when the pan drippings are already high in fat, so I don't need the addition of butter. So how much flour or cornstarch do you add to make the gravy? That's the real conundrum. Even as a professional chef, I tend to make a slurry, add a little to the sauce I'm making, bring it to a boil, see if I like the thickness, and if not, I add a little more until it's perfect. That's how you make gravy.